Hello and welcome back to PM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood, and in this video I will tell you how you can do a complete WordPress website maintenance. So the first thing that we have to do during website maintenance is that we will have to take the backup of our website. So for that we will go to the dashboard and we will click on add a new plugin. So let me just zoom a bit so you can see clearly. And here we will search for WP migration. So this is the plugin that I use to take backup because it's simple and we can just download the backup using that and save it at any cloud location or maybe local. So you can just install and activate it. I have already installed and activated. So here I will go to the plugin and I will click on backups, and here I will click on create backup. And now it will take a little bit of time to create a complete backup of the website. So here you can see that the backup is completed, and now we can just click on download and it will download it in our PC. So we can just download and click close. So this will keep downloading and it is also stored on the server. Here you can see we can go to file manager and restore it anytime if any issue occur during maintenance. So now the next step in the website maintenance that I do is that we have to install another plugin, and now we will have to install a plugin that will make the website on maintenance mode. So if any user come to the website, they will see that the website is under maintenance, because when we are updating the plugin and the themes, then the user experience can be bad. So that's why we will have to install the maintenance plugin so that the user know that the website is on maintenance. Activate the plugin, and now here you can scroll down and here you will see the maintenance thing. So you can just click on it and you can remove it. It's free. So site is undergoing maintenance, the maintenance mode is on. So this is what will be written on the website. And here you can update the background image if you want. So you can maybe change it to a related one that works for your website maybe. So let me just use this one maybe, and we can scroll down and click on save changes. And now so make sure this is on. Here you can see it's on. You can click on save changes, and when you open your website in an incognito window, you can see that the maintenance mode will be on. So here you can see, you can close it, and now we can start doing the other stuff. So we have the backup, so now we can just go to the updates. So here, if the plugins in your website are too much old, like I have done the maintenance of this website already like a month ago, so there is not an issue probably. So if you have done the last maintenance a long ago, then you can install a rollback plugin, and you can also note down all of the versions of this plugin. So if any issue occur, then you can roll the plugins back to the previous version that were working fine for you. For that I have also created a video that is under playlist, and here if I scroll down, and here is the series WordPress website maintenance, and here is the video how to update WordPress plugins and themes safely. So you can follow this video if you have done the last maintenance a long ago, but I have done the maintenance already like a month ago, so there will not be an issue if I update the plugins. But if the versions are like too much old and you update all of them at once, then there can be issues. So you need to make sure that you have the rollback plugin installed and you can roll them back to the previous version if required. And if any other bad thing occur, then you already have the backup, but backup take a little bit of time in restoring. So that's why I install a rollback plugin and roll them back to the previous version that was working fine to save my time. Now it will take a little bit of time to update all of the plugins. So here you can see that all of the updates are completed. So these were the plugin updates only, and now we have to check out the theme and do the remaining stuff required to do in a website maintenance. So after every step you can check out your website complete and you can see if any issue occur. So if any issue occur, then we will have to troubleshoot that, but in my case everything is working fine. And now let's again scroll to the top and go to the themes. So here you can see that my theme is already up to date. So now we can go to the plugins. If there is any unusual plugin that you don't want, you can just delete them. So this is the one in my case, I can just delete it. And this is for the WhatsApp chat that I open sometimes, so we don't need to delete it. So now we will have to install a security plugin and scan the website to make sure there is no malware or something. So the plugin name is Webverse. You can install it, activate, and here you can click on get your Webverse license. It's free, so there is no need to worry. Here you can enter your email address and you will receive the key on that, and you can scan the website using that to scan for the malwares. So if you want to explore that in detail, you can go to my channel, and here you can go to videos, or maybe you can just search for malware, and here is the video on WordPress malware removal. And you can also go to your website and you can install a security plugin to set up two-factor authentication to make your website more secure. For that you can follow this playlist that I am currently working on, WordPress security full tutorial. So here you will see different videos on how to make your website secure, and I have already recorded a lot of videos, so you can check out this playlist and make sure your website is up to date. And next thing is that you can go to your website link and you can remove this S from your link and press enter to make sure that your SSL is working fine. Here you can see connection is secure, so you can make sure your SSL certificate is working fine. And now to optimize the speed of the website, you can install a plugin that is called NitroPack, and for that we have already created a video as well. So just search for speed. You can watch this video and increase the speed of your WordPress website within 3 minutes. Now we can go to the website and we can go to the maintenance once everything is completed. So we can turn this off and click on save changes. And now we can go to the website and test out all of the forms to make sure that they're working fine. And here you can see that the form is working fine, and you can also check out if there is any other functionality on your website to make sure everything is working. So that's it for the video, and don't forget to check out these playlists: WordPress speed optimization, WordPress website maintenance, and WordPress security to make sure your website is secure and fast. So that's it for the video. Like this video and comment on this video about your opinions, and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.